Some rugby and the national 15th rugby team Kenya Simbas kickstart their quest to qualify for the 2019 Rugby World Cup when they travel to Morocco to face the hosts in their opening group tie of the Africa Gold Cup. Simbas will be seeking to start with a win over a Moroccan side that announced their return to the tournament. With a 23-all draw against Zimbabwe, Snook's Chargers will be hoping to continue their winning run after a 34-16 win over Uganda in the first leg of the Elgon Cup last month. Kenya Cup top points scorer Darwin Mukidza moves from fullback to fly half, while Nondescript's Biko Adema starts at fullback and Davis Chenge captains the side. In its subsequent games, Kenya hosts Zimbabwe on the 30th of June, Uganda on the 7th of July and Tunisia on the 11th of August at the RFUEA grounds. They will then finish the campaign away to Namibia on the 18th of August.